Introduction. Focus on learning. This course is not just about creating calculations, although you will create some awesome stuff, I guarantee you. However, the most important thing is to go through the process of learning, picking up various techniques. So throughout the duration of this course, please keep the following in mind. Focus on learning the actual techniques. Don't just repeat blindly, but actually learn the techniques so you could apply them to your own dashboards, your own visualizations, your own business. Question everything. It's always key. Accept nothing for gospel. This does not just apply to this course, but all courses that you would ever take. Continually question. Do additional exercises. This course has been designed to be complete in itself, but go beyond this course. Search for exercises, search for blogs on the topic to really supplement your knowledge. Repetition is good, repetition is king, repetition is great. What I would suggest is to repeat the course until you get it. The course is yours, take it as many times as you require, but repetition would really cement the knowledge for you. Most importantly, keep each lesson. Every lesson has a purpose. Watch it again, and make sure that you keep this lesson. There's no point in taking the course, forgetting it next week. Do your best to keep every lesson in this course. And lastly, Google is king. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me in the discussion, or you can go to Google and search for it as well. Either way, there's a big community of people available to help you, not just within my teaching circle, however, but in the wider Tableau community as well. So go on Google, go on Twitter, engage on social media. The key is we are focusing on advanced calculations in Tableau. Make sure that you really pick up all the techniques, you question everything, all the exercises, you power through them, repeat if necessary. Most importantly, take things away and Google if you don't know. So, really focus on your own learning.